Skully is back. I was wandering around the CES show floor this year, just getting some shots of some cool new drones and some crazy dancing robots, and I turned the corner and there they were. I know a lot of people thought this day would never come, but Skully is back. How are they back, you ask? Well, just like NUVIS, they got some angel investors that are actual motorcycle people that have breathed new life into this failed startup. But you don't want to listen to me talk about it. Here's Diane Mayer from Skully Technologies to fill you in.
Skully Inc. originally was the largest crowdfunded campaign on Indiegogo at that time. And they also had sold online as well some pre-orders. So there were thousands of people out there that were anticipating a helmet, and unfortunately they weren't able to bring it to mass production. And Skully Technologies, led by Ivan and Rafael Contreras, and with the guiding hand of WTI, were able to acquire the assets, patents, and trademarks, and are now looking to fulfill Skully's destiny. Skully Technologies, with the new ownership, Ivan Contreras and Rafael Contreras, are founders and refounders of multiple companies in the motorcycle, technology, and manufacturing, and transportation and general industries. Torat, Gas, Sensefields, Moving, and Caboris. So they have a wide depth and range of experience in companies that are related to manufacturing and the industry, as well as turnaround companies. And when they came in, they knew they were looking at Skully, very interested in Skully for the technology and to fit in their portfolio of businesses for a smart transportation ecosystem. And one of the things that was really important to them was when they acquired the patents, assets, and trademarks of the old Skully Inc., they knew that there were thousands of previous contributors that never received a helmet. So it was important to them to make it right. And they wanted to fulfill and honor the contributions of the previous contributors as contributed. So if you previously contributed towards a Skully, whether at Indiegogo or on their online platform, we are going to go ahead and deliver you a Scully Phoenix Ar when it starts coming out this summer, just by registering on SkullyTechnologies.com on the Skully Nation tab, and we'll just validate that, simple validation process. We already have close to a couple thousand that have registered, and we're really excited that we're able to do that. It is smart helmet technology, so it has augmented reality that allows you to, through this rear view patented camera, it will view 180 degree of what's behind you through this heads-up display. So you have a total of 360 awareness when you're on the road. And in that display, you'll also see through voice commands, phone calls, music, and navigation. So you can say Skully home, and in that heads-up display, you'll see a turn-by-turn navigation that appears almost like a ticker along the top of that HUD. So you're always seeing the rear view, 180-degree rear view in that HUD, and then whether you're doing navigation, that will be on that ticker, or say you're making a phone call, Skully, call Diane, then my name would pop up just again along that ticker, or music. Whatever you're playing will also be in that HUD, and you can say music up, music down. So again, it's all voice controlled. The app, there'll be a Skully app that pairs with the helmet, and then you're Bluetooth enabled, which allows the operation of the unit. So that's the heads-up display. And then you can bring it up or down, and then you can turn it side to side or in and out. So you can place it based upon the type of rider you are, whether you are a sport rider and you're down really low, or a touring rider and up really high, or you have multifocal lenses like me. Yes. So you're able to adjust that HUD to your comfort. The battery life is approximately 4 hours, and then you also will get an additional battery pack that allows you to charge it on the road if you need additional charge beyond the 4 hours. The weight is approximately 3.5 pounds, and the carbon fiber, of course, will be lighter. We have DOT and ECE on the Phoenix Ar. We are going all the way up to XXL. In addition, the visor will be available as a photochromic visor, so that it will darken in direct sunlight, and then as you're going into a tunnel, for example, then it will clear like you see here. But what we're going to do is we're going to make it available online through SkullyTechnologies.com, and then we're also looking at additionally what our channel distribution will look like. We will have it available through OEMs and other channel partners,
Sure.
and that is in development right now. We're looking at shipping this summer. So this summer with the Scully Phoenix Ar, which is this is a carbon fiber unit which has the same feature set with improved performance and specs from the original company's version, and this carbon fiber version we intend to have available in 2018, sometime this year. Right now we're looking at an MSRP of $18.99.
$18.99, and it will come out this summer.
Correct. The Phoenix Ar is coming out this summer. This, again, the carbon fiber version that we just put together to put on display for today, that's coming out sometime in 2018.
Sometime in 2018.